Begin with a stronger hook to grab the audience's attention immediately. For instance, use a dramatic question or statement. What if the James Webb Telescope has just discovered the one thing we've been searching for, proof that we are not alone in the universe? Arrange the script into sections, like introduction, what makes Webb unique, the signal discovery, speculation, and implications, challenges in decoding, and conclusion. This will help your audience follow the narrative. Some sentences are repetitive or overly long. Simplify where possible to keep the pace steady and engaging. For example, instead of the signal had a structure, a pattern that repeated in a way that random cosmic noise doesn't, you could say, the signal wasn't random, it repeated in an unmistakably deliberate pattern. Add rhetorical questions to involve the viewer, like, could this be the moment humanity has waited for? What message might lie in this mysterious signal? Use vivid imagery to describe concepts. For example, imagine a civilization so advanced, they sent us a message across millions of light years, hoping one day we'd be capable of understanding it. Clarify the scientific basis of the James Webb Telescope's capabilities and findings to ground the speculative aspects. Mention specific technologies or recent discoveries by Webb to build credibility. When discussing extraterrestrial possibilities, acknowledge skepticism while keeping the excitement alive. While it could be a natural phenomenon, what if it isn't? What if it's a deliberate message waiting to be deciphered? End with an inspiring note that invites curiosity. Whether this signal is a cosmic puzzle or an interstellar message, one thing is certain, the universe still holds countless mysteries. And we, as explorers, must dare to uncover them. The James Webb Space Telescope has become a symbol of human curiosity and technological achievement. Designed to peer into the most distant corners of the universe, it has already begun rewriting the story of cosmic evolution. However, what happens when a tool meant for understanding the past accidentally uncovers something that could redefine our present? When news broke of a mysterious signal detected by Webb, the world collectively paused. It wasn't just another wave of data from a dying star or a distant galaxy forming, it was structured, organized, and unlike anything we've encountered before. This wasn't just static from the universe, it seemed intentional, purposeful. To understand why Webb's capabilities are revolutionary, we must compare it to its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble, as groundbreaking as it was, could only capture a fraction of the detail Webb can. While Hubble's mirror spanned 2.4 meters, Webb boasts a massive 6.5-meter gold-coated beryllium mirror, providing unparalleled sensitivity and resolution. Webb operates primarily in the infrared spectrum, enabling it to pierce through cosmic dust and unveil secrets that were previously hidden. This leap in technology allows Webb to study phenomena billions of light-years away, effectively looking back in time to the birth of galaxies. But here's the twist, instead of focusing on the distant past, Webb may have stumbled upon something in the present, a signal from a potential extraterrestrial civilization. When we think of the nearest stars, Proxima Centauri often comes to mind. It's not only the closest star to our Sun but also home to Proxima b, an exoplanet located within the habitable zone. This means it orbits its star at a distance where liquid water could theoretically exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Proxima b has long intrigued scientists, but recent observations have taken that intrigue to a new level. Webb's detection of a structured signal from this region has sparked debate. Could this be a sign of intelligent life, or is it an unprecedented natural phenomenon? Unlike the usual chaotic hum of space, this signal had a rhythm. Imagine a beat in the midst of a cosmic orchestra, a pattern that repeated with precision. NASA scientists, trained to approach every anomaly with skepticism, have been unusually quiet about this discovery. Their hesitation has only fueled speculation. If the signal is from an intelligent source, it represents a technological capability far beyond our own. The mere act of sending a message across light years of space suggests a civilization with an advanced understanding of physics, energy, and communication. But what could this civilization be trying to say? Is it a greeting, a warning, or something entirely incomprehensible? And more importantly, should we respond? While the allure of alien life captures the imagination, the scientific community remains cautious. Space is a realm of surprises, and there's always the possibility that the signal is a natural occurrence. Pulsars, for instance, emit rhythmic signals that were initially mistaken for signs of extraterrestrial life. Could this be another case of cosmic misinterpretation? Yet, there's something about this signal that doesn't fit the usual patterns. Its structure, its frequency, and its persistence suggest intentionality. Scientists are meticulously analyzing the data, comparing it against known cosmic phenomena, and attempting to rule out interference from human technology. The discovery of an extraterrestrial signal would be one of the most profound moments in human history. It would challenge our understanding of life, the universe, and our place within it. Religions, philosophies, and worldviews would face questions they've never had to answer. Would the discovery unite humanity in a shared sense of wonder, or would it deepen existing divisions? If another civilization exists, it raises questions about their intentions. Are they peaceful explorers like us, or could they view us as a lesser species to be exploited or ignored? Even if the signal is a message, deciphering it is a monumental task. It's not just a matter of translation, it's about bridging potentially unimaginable gaps in logic, culture, and biology. How do you decode a message from beings who might not even perceive reality the way we do? And then there's the question of response. Do we attempt to communicate back, risking the attention of a civilization far more advanced than us? Or do we stay silent, observing from the shadows? The James Webb Space Telescope was built to answer questions about the universe's origin, but it may have posed one of the most important questions of all: are we alone? The implications of this discovery, whether it turns out to be a natural phenomenon or a genuine message from another world, will reverberate for generations. As the scientific community works to uncover the truth, we're left with a choice. Do we approach this moment with fear, or with the same curiosity that drove us to build the telescope in the first place? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain: the universe has a way of surprising us, and the James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.